Chapter 7. How Money Flows Online. Supply, Demand, and Digital Marketplaces. If you want to make money online, you need to understand one simple truth. The internet is just a massive network of supply and demand. Supply is what's being offered: products, services, information, entertainment. Demand is what people want: the problems they want solved, the desires they want fulfilled, the goals they want to achieve. Money flows when supply meets demand in a way that feels worth it to the buyer. Everything else, all the platforms, tools, and strategies, exists to make that connection happen faster, more efficiently, and at a bigger scale. The biggest difference between money flow online and money flow offline is scale and speed. In the offline world, supply and demand are limited by geography. If you open a coffee shop in your neighborhood, your demand is mostly the people who live or work nearby. If those people stop coming in, your revenue drops. Online, you're not limited to the people physically near you. Your potential demand could be anywhere in the world. This means even niche products can find enough buyers to be profitable. You could sell handmade guitar picks, and as long as you can get them in front of the right audience, you can build a business. The speed of money online is also completely different. Offline, a business transaction might take days or weeks to complete. Online, someone can see your product, read reviews, decide they want it, and buy it, all within minutes. That speed means opportunities can come and go quickly, but it also means you can test and adapt far faster than a traditional business. You can see what's working in real time and adjust your offer, your messaging, or your targeting instantly. One of the main ways supply and demand connect online is through digital marketplaces. These are platforms where buyers and sellers meet. Places like Amazon, eBay, Etsy, Fiverr, and Upwork. The benefit of using a marketplace is that the demand is already there. Millions of people visit these platforms every day looking to buy something. You don't have to go out and find every customer from scratch. The marketplace brings them to you. The trade-off is that you're playing by the platform's rules, and they often take a cut of your revenue. You're also competing with other sellers right next to you, so you have to work on standing out. Outside of marketplaces, there's the direct-to-consumer model, where you bring people straight to your own website or platform. This gives you more control over pricing, branding, and customer relationships, but it also means you're responsible for generating your own demand. You have to get attention through marketing, advertising, or content, and then convert that attention into sales. The advantage here is that you're building an audience that belongs to you, not to a platform. You can follow up with customers directly, encourage repeat purchases, and avoid paying marketplace fees. Money online can also flow in ways that don't look like traditional transactions. Advertising is a huge one. Companies pay to put their message in front of potential customers, and platforms or content creators get paid for giving them that access. If you run a blog, a YouTube channel, or even a social media page with a large following, you can make money just by letting advertisers reach your audience. Affiliate marketing works in a similar way, but instead of selling ad space, you promote someone else's product and get a commission on any sales you help generate. Subscriptions and memberships are another way money flows online. Instead of a one-time transaction, customers pay on a recurring basis for continued access to a product, service, or a community. This could be software, a monthly box of physical products, a premium content library, or a private group with exclusive benefits. This model is powerful because it creates predictable, recurring revenue. The more people you add, the more your income compounds over time. Even free products and services can be part of the money flow if they lead to monetization through another channel. A free app might make money by showing ads or offering premium upgrades. A free newsletter might promote paid courses or products. The key here is understanding that value can be delivered first, and monetization can happen later. In some cases, giving away something for free can actually generate more revenue in the long run than charging for it upfront. At the heart of all these models is the simple principle: find where the demand is, match it with supply, and make the exchange as easy and appealing as possible. The internet gives you endless ways to do this, but the most successful businesses are the ones that deeply understand their market, who their customers are, what they want, and what will make them say yes. If you can consistently be the bridge between what people want and the solution they're willing to pay for, you will never run out of ways to make money online.